Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Capricorn! Welcome back! At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa February 16 to 22. Okay? At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na sumusuporta sa channel na to. And sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin ang aking channel by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and sharing this video sa iba pang Capricorn na nangangailangan ng guidance. And comment na rin kayo sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay? So, tingnan natin ang overall energy of this reading. Second card for February, faith. Okay? So, have faith when it comes to love. And may kinalaman to sa pagiging faithful. So tingnan natin ano bang detalye ng faith card. So pero sinasabi lang dito ng universe na manalig ka pagdating sa pag-ibig. Okay? Yan. So habang binabalasa ko tong card na to, I hope na mag-resonate yung reading. And since this is a collective reading, it may or may not resonate. Kaya kung hindi, huwag natin pilitin. Okay, it only means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. So abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya subscribe na, diba? Para updated kayo sa mga darating pang videos. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin ano yung reading ng card na to. So, reading dito. Second card. So, Six of Coins, the Hangman, Ace of Wands, Three of Cups, Eight of Wands, Knight of Coins, Five of Wands, Ace of Cups, Justice, and the Magician. Ooh, napakaganda naman. And as you can see here, and Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups, Three of Cups. Okay, sige. So, there's a very strong energy of Gemini and Virgo, pati Pisces and Libra. Okay, so pwede yun yung zodiac signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun ang strong energy na nasasagap ng reading na to. So it started with the Six of Coins, ended with the Magician, and ayan, punong-puno ng faith ang reading nito, and explain ko bakit. So Six of Coins, yung person ninyo is a very generous person. So siya yung tipo ng tao na bigay ng bigay kahit and hindi nag-expect ng kapalit from you. So very giving siya, pwedeng in terms of material, pero in terms of time and yung effort, Ayun. So, but I can sense na yung love language niya ay gift and time. So, very generous siya pagdating sa um, pagbibigay ng gift sa'yo. And that's how he or she expresses love. Kasi yun nga yung love language niya. Okay? And, uh, and there's a situation between the two of you that you really have to accept. Shown here by the hangman. Tapos, it requires you to take a pause, reflect, and then finally accept the situation. Mamaya clarify natin ano yung situation na you have to accept. Kasi dito, makikita natin that there's a new beginning between the two of you once you accepted that situation. And as shown here by the Ace of Wands, tapos dito sa Three of Cups, it requires you to support each other. And eventually, once you accepted the situation, there's a new beginning and there will be so much celebration na, alam mo yun, magtutuloy-tuloy itong celebration na ito, magkakaroon siya ng momentum. Okay, as shown here by the Eight of Wands. And si Knight of Coins will be saying na, so magtutuloy-tuloy siya at magiging consistent na yung status ninyong dalawa. Maybe when it comes to love, parang after mo accept yung situation, magkakaroon ng celebration nga between the two of you because there will be a new beginning and magkakaroon siya ng momentum towards consistency. Okay? And any conflict na once na exact na situation, any conflict na mag-a-arise, as shown here by 5 months, will be resolved. Okay? Hindi na siya, dahil nga in-accept na yung situation, parang hindi na siya ganun ka-big deal at hindi na siya magiging cause ng conflict between the two of you. Kasi dito Ace of Cups, shown here, kasi mas mamahalin niyo yung isa't isa. Okay? And there will be so much harmony in this relationship as shown here by the Justice card. You magkakaroon ng accountability between the two of you, alam mo yun, and magiging harmonious yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay? And that's what actually you desire. And that's actually what you manifest in this relationship as shown here by the Magician. Okay? Pero yun nga, tingnan natin, clarify natin, ano ba yung situation that you have to accept. Tingnan natin. Oops, sorry, nalog. So, second card. Tingnan natin. Oh, Two of Swords. Okay. So, si Two of Swords is a card of compromising. Okay. Sige, yun nga, parang may kailangan ka accept, kailangan mag-compromise. I guess there's a situation between of you that needs some compromise. Okay? Pero sige, one more. Ano bang Seven of Cups. Okay. So, Seven of Cups is a card of so, meron kasing ibang, okay, sige. Merong situation na parang feeling mo hindi ka na pa-prioritize kasi. Why? Because possible that your person is, kung focus siya sa career niya, and then parang priority niya yung family niya, then maybe he or she is supporting uh, yung pamilya niya, kaya very into career siya. You may feel na parang okay, hindi ka priority, pero alisin mo sa isip mo yon. Meron lang siyang at the moment lang na yun lang yung kailangan niya munang unahin. Okay? Pero mahal ka niya. And yun yung kailangan mong, yun yung sitwasyon na kailangan mong tanggapin um, sa ngayon. Okay? And have faith. Yun nga, have faith that everything will be alright. Okay? Sige. I-seal natin itong reading na to with another oracle card. I'll pull the second card again. Okay, sincerity. Okay. So, dahil itong tao na to, very sincere naman siya when it comes to loving you. Okay? May mga kailangan lang siya talagang unahin sa ngayon. Okay? Kaya, pero mahal ka niya and have faith that soon everything will fall into place. Okay? Or soon magkaroon na siya ng more time sa'yo. Kasi yun naman yung love language niya. So, I guess, kaya din yung love language niya, pinapakita niya in terms of gifts is because, yun nga, parang this person is trying to compensate din dun sa time na pwedeng hindi niya masyadong nabibigay sa'yo. Pero mahal ka nitong tao na to. Okay? So, and you just have to really accept that situation and everything will align na and magiging happy naman. Any conflict issues are resolved because yun nga, mahal ka ng tao na to. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate itong reading na to sa inyo. Comment na sa baba if nag-resonate and abang na lang sa mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno at kita-kits dito lang mismo. Ingat!